Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I personally still think this is very clearly a 1-2 and a wave 3. I definitely think it's proven itself to me that this really is a wave 3. If this really is a wave 3, then I do believe it is going to go up to at least a 161.8% Fibonacci extension, which puts us all the way up to about $2,500 and maybe even higher than that. Going down to the weekly, this is where you can start to see the subdivisions. I think this is a 1-2 that I showed you on the monthly, and then this is a wave 3. But then we can see the subdivisions of this. This is a 1 of 3 and a 2 of 3. That makes this current move up a wave 3 of 3. A wave 3 is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, so a wave 3 of 3 should be a super strong trend, which it definitely is. Taking it down to the daily time frame, that is. Yeah, we are sitting at a Fibonacci level. You would think that this would make a pullback, but the fact that we're in a wave 3 of 3 on the higher time frames tells me that maybe it would make a pullback, maybe not. Even if it does make a pullback, I think it's just going to be a crescent to the uptrend, and I definitely think the bigger, better money to be made is definitely going to be looking for longs on shorter time frames still. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, anybody that's been watching my gold videos really over the last 3 weeks or so has probably made a killing on gold, because I've been saying pretty much since the bottom down here that this is a wave 303 and we're eventually going to make it to the $2,500 area. So what am I doing now? I'm definitely not looking for shorts. Most likely this move down right here is a crescent to this last wave up. I would put my Fibonacci retracement on there, and I would continue to look for longs in an uptrend, especially on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I have my Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move up, which is the last trend. This move down I think is very, very likely to be a crescent. We are at the 38% fib, so if it does make an impulsive move up here, it could just keep on trending. Or it's also very possible that it makes more of a proper three-way pullback before it goes up. Either way, whether the crescent ends now or whether it ends later, I am definitely looking for longs in an uptrend at the end of pullbacks. I'm primarily looking for three ways down, looking for a Fibonacci bounce to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. It definitely, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here below, and don't forget to check out my membership program at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.